If you are considering Mounjaro to help manage type 2 diabetes or lose weight, you're not alone. This breakthrough medication, also known as tirzepatide, is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. But before you start, there are some important things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 must-know facts about Mounjaro, so you can begin your journey with clarity, confidence, and fewer surprises. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We share new, practical health videos each week to keep you informed, supported, and empowered. Let's start with number 1. Mounjaro works differently than other medications. While drugs like Ozempic target one hormone, GLP-1, Mounjaro targets 2, GLP-1 and GIP. This dual-action approach helps improve blood sugar levels and reduce appetite more effectively. That's why many patients not only see better glucose control, but also experience significant weight loss. However, this also means your body may take some time to adjust to how Mounjaro works. And that brings us to point number 2. Number 2. Side effects are common, but usually manageable. The most frequently reported side effects include nausea, constipation, diarrhea, reduced appetite, and fatigue. Most of these appear during the first few weeks, especially when starting or increasing your dose. The key is to eat smaller, lighter meals, stay well hydrated, and avoid greasy or spicy foods. Talk to your doctor if the symptoms become too intense. Sometimes slowing down the dose escalation helps ease the transition. Next up, number 3. You won't see results overnight. While Mounjaro can lead to impressive results, especially with weight loss, don't expect a dramatic change in just 1 week. Most users start to notice a difference after a month or 2. Weight loss tends to be steady and gradual, which is a good thing. It means your body is adjusting safely. Be patient, stick with your doctor's plan, and track your progress along the way. Number 4. What you eat still matters. Mounjaro lowers appetite, but it doesn't replace healthy eating. In fact, because you're eating less, the quality of your food becomes even more important. Prioritize lean protein, fiber, healthy fats, and plenty of water. Avoid sugary drinks and processed snacks, which can slow down your progress and increase side effects. Think of Mounjaro as a tool, not a magic fix. Your habits still play a major role. Finally, number 5. Follow-up and support are key. Regular check-ins with your healthcare provider are essential. They'll monitor your blood sugar, track your weight, and help adjust your dose as needed. Don't go through this journey alone. Support from your doctor, a nutritionist, or even an online community can make a huge difference in staying motivated and getting the best results. Starting Mounjaro is a big step, but it can be a life-changing one. Know what to expect, listen to your body, and stay consistent. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone on the same journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing weight and health. You deserve to feel your best.